Welcome to the wild side of celebration. Today, we're diving into safari baby shower ideas that are both cute and adventurous. Think jungle vibes, animal prints, and a whole lot of greenery. Perfect for both boys and girls. This theme adds a fun twist to traditional baby showers. From decorations to games, we've got every detail covered. If you're planning a party for a mama-to-be who loves nature and animals, this is for you. We'll walk through unique themes, creative food options, and wild activities. So stay tuned for inspiration that roars with excitement. Let's begin your safari baby shower journey now. What colors work best for a safari baby shower? Earth tones like brown, green, beige, and a touch of gold work perfectly. They bring out the jungle vibes and create a cozy natural look. You can also add animal prints like zebra or cheetah for texture. Use these colors in balloons, banners, and table covers. Mix real or faux greenery for a fresh touch. Simple color palettes go a long way in themed events. What's your favorite color combo for a jungle party? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. How to plan a safari-themed food menu. Use fun names like giraffe juice, elephant ears, or monkey munch. Serve tropical fruits, cupcakes with animal toppers, and themed cookies. Go for animal-shaped sandwiches and jungle trail mix. Mini burgers and fruit kebabs also fit the look. Display everything with small safari signboards. Keep drinks fruity and refreshing like pineapple punch. Which animal-themed snack sounds tasty to you? Leave a comment and be sure to like and subscribe for more fun themes. What are some safari-themed baby shower games? Play Guess the Animal Sound, or Jungle Bingo. Try Diaper the Monkey or Safari Scavenger Hunt. Games with plush animals are both safe and fun. Create a photo booth with props like hats and binoculars. You can even have a Name That Animal baby quiz. Keep the games short and sweet to keep guests entertained. Which jungle game would you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. What kind of decorations fit a safari theme? Think leaves, vines, palm trees, and cute jungle animals. Hang animal cutouts. Use safari-themed tableware and create balloon arches. Mini tents, wooden crates, and faux grass work great as props. Animal footprints on the floor add fun and surprise for guests. You can DIY or keep it simple. Either way, it looks fantastic. Even small details like animal napkin holders add charm. Have you ever created your own party decor? Let us know below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. What type of cake suits a safari baby shower? A 2- or 3-tier cake with fondant animals is perfect. Designs can include giraffes, lions, zebras, and elephants. Add edible leaves, trees, or animal footprints. You can also go for a minimalist jungle print. Colors should match the theme. Neutral with pops of green. Cupcakes with animal toppers are a cute alternative. Do you prefer cake or cupcakes at baby showers? Let us know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more party magic. What outfits are perfect for the parents-to-be? Dress them in neutral or khaki tones to match the safari theme. Flowy dresses or animal print scarves for mom are great. Dad can wear a jungle hat or a simple linen shirt. You can also provide safari hats for photo moments. Comfort comes first, so keep it breezy and fun. Matching with the theme makes for adorable photos. Would you go full safari or subtle chic? Comment your style below. Like and subscribe for more ideas. Any safari-themed baby shower favor ideas? Mini potted plants, animal-shaped soaps, or jungle keychains. You can gift small jars of honey with welcome little one tags. Animal print bookmarks or mini stuffed toys also work. Use small craft boxes with thank you stickers. Personalized jungle candles are also a hit. Make sure each favor ties back to the theme. Which party favor would you love to receive? Tell us in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe. What kind of invitations should I send? Go for jungle leaf designs with animal illustrations. Digital invites with earthy tones and safari fonts work great. Include cute lines like, "Let's go wild for baby." Add RSVP info and gift registry if needed. Use elephants, giraffes, or jungle trees for visual appeal. Handmade invites can add a personal touch. Do you prefer printed or digital invitations? Let us know. Like, comment, and hit subscribe for more tips. How can I include animals without making it too childish? Use neutral colors and realistic animal illustrations. Stick to elegant decorations with light touches of fun. Go for wooden or metal animal figurines instead of cartoons. Use safari books or vintage maps as part of the decor. Include soft textures like burlap, rattan, and leaves. It's all about balance between playful and classy. What's your ideal safari style? Playful or elegant? Comment your choice below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Can this theme work indoors? Absolutely. Create a jungle vibe with plants and balloons. Hang leaves and vines across walls or ceilings. Use green backdrops and wooden props to set the scene. Use lighting to give it a warm, natural glow. Animal cushions or rugs also add great texture. Small spaces can still feel adventurous with the right decor. Have you hosted an indoor party with a theme? Tell us how it went. Like and subscribe for more decor hacks. What music fits a safari baby shower? Play soft tribal instrumentals or nature background sounds. You can also use relaxing jungle-inspired lullabies. Avoid loud music. Keep it light and welcoming. Animal sound effects can be a fun surprise during games. Instrumentals create a soothing environment for guests. Create a playlist with African drums or calming jungle tracks. What's your go-to music for a baby shower? Share it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How to personalize the event for the parents-to-be. Add baby's name or initials to the decor or cake. Create a jungle guest book with notes from guests. Use baby photos of parents in jungle-themed frames. Customize party signs with special messages. Set up a wishes for baby table with leaf-shaped cards. Photos and memories make the event extra special. What personal touch would you include in your shower? Share your ideas in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. A safari baby shower is a creative and unforgettable theme. It brings fun, nature, and warmth to any celebration. From decorations to games and food, every detail can be customized. You can keep it playful or make it classy. Both work beautifully. It's all about celebrating a new life with joy and style. Your guests will love the wild adventure you've created. We hope these ideas helped you plan the perfect baby shower. Which idea was your favorite from today's list? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this safari-themed celebration journey. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your favorite tip in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you'd include in your baby shower. Subscribe to our channel for more party planning ideas. New videos are posted regularly, so stay tuned. Hit the bell icon to never miss a celebration trend. Help us grow by sharing this video with fellow party planners. Until next time, keep the celebration wild and wonderful.